Are you struggling to remember what to say on camera? Check this out. Quite simply, all you need to do is stick a post-it note on your phone. Like this, bullet points on the top that will allow you to remember what you need to say. The trick with this method is to literally bullet point the things that you want to include. So it's going to be your hook, it's going to be your main message, and it's going to be your call to action. 3 simple things that you need to include within any video that you create. The bullet points are designed just to jog your memory, so don't write reams and reams of notes because you're not going to be able to see it. It's a really simple trick to allow you to remember what you need to say on camera. Let's not overcomplicate things. You don't need a teleprompter. You know roughly what you want to say. The post-it note method will mean that you're not spending hours and hours and hours. You get really frustrated and want to throw everything out the window because you're not remembering what you want to say. Keep it simple, 3 bullet points, put it on the post-it note. If this video has been helpful, make sure you head across to our channel where you can see more videos just like this one.